How to unlink Facebook from PUBG. So if you want to unlink your Facebook from PUBG, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Once you're here on the settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and select the option of apps and websites under your activity. Tap on apps and websites. Under apps and websites now, if you've connected any application, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the application, and if you've connected your PUBG mobile, then you will have an option of view removed apps and websites, or you will have an option of PUBG mobile. So for example, I have Omi TV, right? So instead of Omi TV, you may have PUBG mobile. So simply tap on the PUBG mobile option. Once you tap on it, here on the upper side, you will have remove option, right? Simply tap on remove and then tap on remove again. And that's it. You've removed your PUBG mobile, or you've unlinked your PUBG with your Facebook. So in this way, you can unlink your apps and websites from your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.